So after you've installed WordPress inside your localhost, this is what it's going to show. So you can see these are your dashboard. These are your dashboard is going to look, and this is your website. Now how do I come here? Once you are at the dashboard, just come to this your website name. That's your site title. Just right click and open in a new tab. So it's going to show you this. Now this by default, this is the WordPress 2022 theme. How do I know that? Now let's go back. So if you want to know where your theme are, under appearance, just click on theme. So you will see the current theme. So you can see that this is what's active. So this theme is activated already. You can see 2022. So this is the default theme that always comes with all WordPress websites. If you notice by the side, you see Ocean WP. So this is another theme, very nice and wonderful theme. So I will show you how to install a theme, and I will show you how to install plugins. So when you come to plugin, I will show you. So you can see there are some plugins I already have by default because I've installed some plugins already. So but I'll show you how to install a new plugin on your localhost platform. So you can see different plugins. I have some active, some activate. So before I install the theme and plugin, so whenever you install WordPress, by default it will have some dummy pages. So you can see privacy policy and sample page. So most of the time you don't necessarily need these pages. So if you want to delete them, just click on this title. So everything will click, then bulk action, just move them to trash, apply. So once you move to trash, you won't see the page at all again. Now go to your post. So by default, click on post. So by default, a post hello world is to come with it. So just as a good practice to keep your website clean and neat, any pages or posts you don't need, just delete it. So bulk action, move to trash, so apply. So that's how you keep your dashboard clean and neat. So now let's now go back to theme. Let's say we want to add a new theme. Appearance, just click on so you can see up here add new. Before I go to add new theme, someone might be asking, how can I download theme? Where will I get themes from? There are two ways you can get your theme. Now because I'm connected to the internet, you notice that I'm connected to my phone internet. So if I want to search for a theme, I can just say add new. So I can search directly from here. So if I want to search for any theme, what will I just say? Let's say I want to use Astra theme. So Astra is one of the theme, very good for WordPress websites. So it's a multi-purpose theme as well. So you can see my Astra theme here. So what will I do? I'll just click this install. So I'm installing right from my dashboard, and because I'm connected to internet, I can go and search for a new theme which is available. So by default it's going to install the theme. So let's wait for it to install. So and any theme you install is going to affect the way your website look, because theme affects the functionality, the layout, the display of your site, from the heading to the footer area. So it's installed already. So once a theme is installed, you want to use the theme, we have to activate. So you click on activate. So it's gonna, now you can see when you come to your themes, you can see active. So Astra is the active theme. So now what is the effect of this theme? Now when you go back to your site, you refresh. Once you refresh, you're going to see the display, the way it's going to look. So you can see this is a different style. You can see T-tag, this is the name of this is your site title, and because I don't have any menu, I don't have home page about us, so it's just very fresh. You can see at the bottom, copyright, power by. So this is the footer area. So the app looks changed because I changed the theme, right? So now let's say you want to install a theme. Let's say you don't have data to install directly from your WordPress here. So when you are installing a theme inside localhost, what will you do? First of all, you have to go to wordpress.org. So you go and download the theme. So you can see themes. So just type wordpress.org there, come to download and extend, click on themes. So whatever theme you want to use, you just search for it here. So search theme. Let's say I'm searching for another theme. There are various types of theme. Because I have some, let me search for cadence theme. It's a very popular theme, multi-purpose theme, very wonderful theme. So you can see this cadence theme. Let's say you want to use this theme on your localhost. So you download from here. So you can see it's already downloading. So now you go back to your, so any theme you want, just search for it here. Type the name, it's going to be there. Just click on download. So you go back to your website dashboard. So now where you see add theme, add new, just click on this add new. So instead of searching from here, you upload. The reason why I'm able to search from here, because don't forget I'm connected to the internet. So even when you are using localhost and you are connected to a very good internet with good connection, you will be able to search within. But let's say you don't really have a good internet, or you don't have data to connect with your website, so you can download it first from other platforms. So you just click on upload theme. So once you click on upload theme, here you just come and press choose file. So you can see this is my cadence. So I'll just click on this and I'll just open. So and I will install. So it's going to unpack the file and install it inside my dashboard. So just let's wait a while it's installed. Now you can see theme installed successfully. So it's giving you option, you want to live preview activate. So let's just activate straight up. So once you activate, there's going to be a little difference how this page is going to look like. So just click on activate. So depending on the theme you want to use, you just go and search for it under wordpress.org and come and upload. So if I go back to my site and refresh, you notice there's a little change right about service. So some of this menu bar, I've created it before, that's why you are seeing them appearing. So I just uninstall the theme so that I can show you guys how to upload the theme and how to install themes and plugin. So now these are our themes. So you notice that there's a different look. So now let's go back to let's say you want to add your plugin. So just click on plugin. So click on plugin. So once you click on plugin, you see add new here. So you click on add new. So don't forget, I'm connected to the internet, so I can search for plugin right from my WordPress website without uploading any new zip file. So I'll just come here. Let's say you want to install Elementor. Elementor is a very popular page builder, so you can just search for Elementor and it's going to load it from here. So you can see it already. Elementor website builder is very popular. You can see 5 million active installation, last updated 4 weeks ago. So you can see the rating, about 4.5 rating. So it's a very good plugin for WordPress website. So just click install. Okay, so it's installed already. So just click on activate. So it will make the plugin to be active for use. Okay, so you can see our Elementor installed successfully right from my dashboard. Let's say you downloaded it from here. You downloaded it. So if you want to download the plugin, just go to plugin here. So and just come here and search for any plugin of your choice. So if you type Elementor, so just click on Elementor and click on search. So you search for whatever. So you can see this plugin. So if you want to download this plugin, what will you do? Just click on it. So to take it to another page. So you can see download. So this is how you download the plugin. So but because we already installed Elementor, let's search for another plugin which is very popular. Let's search for premium add-ons for Elementor. Premium add-on is another plugin that is compatible with Elementor and it has more functionality. So let's search for this. So you can see showing results for premium. So this is the plugin. If I want to download this, just click on it. So you can see here download. So just click on download and it's going to download inside your desktop. So you can see it's already downloading, but I already downloaded it before. So let's just go back to our dashboard. So if you want to add a new plugin by uploading the zip file, you click on add new once again. Then instead of searching from here, you just click on upload plugin. Then you click on choose file. Then you can so let's scroll down, download. So let's go back. So you can see premium add-on for Elementor. Just click on it and click on open and click on install now. So it's going to unpack this zip file and install it inside your WordPress dashboard. Good, plugin installed successfully. So what will you do next? Just click on activate plugin. So to make the plugin functional. Good, so let's search for our plugin under plugins. So you can see Elementor. If you scroll down a bit, you will see good. So we install premium add-on for Elementor. You can see it's already activated. That's why you're seeing deactivate. So some of these plugins I deactivated them because I wanted to show you guys how to install plugin both from WordPress dashboard and by uploading the zip file. So this is how you can easily install any type of plugin of your choice and any type of theme. So in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to build a just simple landing page with some of these plugins and with the theme we've installed, Cadence theme, and with some Elementor Pro. Now this Elementor Pro is a premium plugin, it's a paid plugin. I will show you guys how I get it in my next video. So stay tuned to watch my next video. Do well to like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Yeah, thank you. See you in the next video.